I can speak.
I can speak. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. 92.1 FM Radio Pesona, your best information station. Hello, good afternoon Pesona Inspira. How are you today? I hope you are in a good condition and of course in happy station, because of today I'm really happy to accompany Pesona Inspira in I Can Speak program. Yes, this is special program for all Pesona Inspira who wants to, what is it, like a practicing your English speaking and then to get a new vocabulary. And of course today I'm not alone, because of I'm already accompanied by 3 person here. 2 person is a student for Sparkle Learning Space and 1 is the teacher for Sparkle Learning Space. Come on, say hello guys. Hello. Hello. Maybe you can introduce yourself first. Maybe the first one gonna
My name is Edmund.
Edman.
I'm from Purwokerto.
Oh, you are from Purwokerto.
Yeah.
Okay, where do you study?
I study in Sparkle Learning Space.
How about your school? I mean,
School is SAPS Wonosobo.
okay. What's grade?
What grade 5?
Yeah, grade 5.
Yeah.
Okay. How many? I mean, how long you have been studying in Sparkle? 1
For
year?
like just, if I'm not wrong, 2 years.
2 years. Okay. And how do you feel learning in Sparkle Learning Space?
It was very great.
It was very great. Okay. And next, maybe the teacher from the Sparkle Learning Space. You can introduce yourself first.
Okay, so my name is Chitra and I one of the teachers there. I work since 2023 and it's been 2 years.
It been 2 years.
Yeah.
And how do you feel to be teacher there? Because of there are so much kids that you have to handle it.
Okay, so for your information, I just graduated from university last year,
of
so I'm
course.
officially an adult now.
Yeah.
Dealing with a teacher is challenging, but of course it's fun.
Yeah, and this is not the first time for Chitra to be an announcer in I Can Speak, because of could be 3 times maybe or
Yeah.
4 times, but it's what is it, like the first time being a teacher.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's been a while, so I'm still, oh my god,
It's
nervous.
okay. It's okay. I trust you. You can do better.
Thank you.
Okay. And next, can you introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Marcelo. I'm from Jakarta.
Marcelo from Jakarta. Where do you study, Marcelo?
I study in Sparkle. I mean, like in the school, I study in STPUs.
Okay, SDPUs. I'm sorry, I cannot see your face. So
Okay.
maybe you can, what is it, like, tell me where do you live and what is your hobby?
Okay. I'm grade 3.
Okay, grade 3. And then where do you live and what is your hobby?
I live in Arkopeni 2B and my hobby is catching fish.
Okay, catching fish. Okay.
It's like a fishing.
Yeah.
Fishing.
Fish and then I catch and then I
Yay.
release them.
Where do you usually fishing?
Usually in my home, with like a pool of fish, I try to catch, but it's kind of
Oh, so you have a fish pool in your home?
Yeah.
Okay, and you try to catch it?
yeah,
You release it. When you catch it, you release it back.
yeah.
Oh, okay. Because of you said that you are from Jakarta, so how long you have been stay in Wonosobo, Marcelo?
I think about 6 years.
6 years. Okay. So since you are in the kindergarten, you already live here when you are in the kindergarten, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, Pesona Inspira. Because of now we have 2 students and 1 teacher from Sparkle Learning Space. So today we're gonna talking specific theme. Maybe Miss Chitra, can you spell the topic today?
Okay, so we will talk about how to get fluent in English.
How to get fluent in English. What is the reason why this topic is to be chosen to our topic today?
Maybe because I have these 2 boys who are fluent in English, and I think it will be exciting if we talk about it.
Yeah, of course, because of anyone needs to practicing or learning
Yeah.
English, like.
And
Okay.
it can be one of the motivation for the listener.
Mm-hmm.
And learning English is easy.
Mm,
Even
yeah.
the little boys can talk, and
Yeah.
even though they are not native speaker.
Yeah, and I think Edmund and Marcelo is really fluent in English. Do you agree with my sentence or my statement, Edmund?
Yeah.
You are really fluency.
Yeah.
Okay. And when you start to speak English in the kindergarten or maybe in the first grade?
Maybe in the first grade.
In the first grade. And how about your parents? Your parents speak in English too, or maybe in Bahasa?
They do can speak English.
Oh, okay. That's why you fluent in your what is like young age.
Yeah.
Okay. And Edmund and Marcelo, now we gonna talk about the what is it? How to get fluent in speaking English. But we're gonna continue after one song from Bruno Mars and Rose with Apathe. Voice aspiration, we must be able to speak. So here is it. I can speak. 92.1 FM Radio Pesona, your best information station, and you still listening I Can Speak program with a Sparkle Learning Space. There are 2 students and 1 teacher, and maybe I want to asking the teacher first about the Sparkle. Maybe you can tell us briefly about Sparkle, the specialty about Sparkle.
Okay, so Sparkle is an English learning space. It's a place where we can learn English, of course. And the location is located in right next to NSC.
Okay,
Yeah.
next to NSC, close to NSC, yeah.
Next to, right.
Okay, how about the kids who study there?
We have various type. I mean the ages. It's from preschool and high school.
Okay, how about the Edmund and Marcelo? Which class they enter the class and the course?
Okay, they just finished FF4, right? Family and friends, and they are in the next level now. They are in FF5.
Okay, maybe Edmund, how usually you practicing English in Sparkle? By maybe reading a book or maybe singing a song?
Playing games, watching movies, and more.
How about Marcelo? Do you do the same activity with Edmund?
Yes.
Yes, okay. And how about the music? Do you have any favorite music to study English?
Some
Favorite
I
song
do not
maybe?
know.
From what is it, like a Disney song from soundtrack of film maybe? What is it?
Maybe you have your favorite song.
Uh,
What is that? Can you explain to us? What is
I'm memorizing.
that? Okay.
Memorizing.
Oh yeah, still.
Okay, trying to memorize. Okay, but movie maybe, do you have any what is it, like a favorite movie?
Yes.
What is it?
Superman.
Superman. Okay, and how about Edmund?
Superman too.
Superman too. Why do you like Superman?
We do watch. Superman is like
What is that?
I don't know.
Hero movie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then what else?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's a hero movie about a man called named Superman.
Okay. Usually when you watch the Superman movie, do you read the subtitle or you just try to guess the what is it like?
I read the
Read the subtitle.
Yeah.
Okay. How about if you don't read the subtitle? Do you understand the movie or maybe you try
I
to
understand
catch?
the movie. I do understand too.
Oh, that's good.
So you can watch it without the subtitle then.
Yeah.
Okay. How many Western movie you already watch?
I'm still memorizing.
Okay. How about Marcelo?
I think about 5 or 4 movies.
5 or 4 movies. Can you mention it? Maybe 2 or 3 movies.
Okay.
Okay. What is it?
Superman, Kung Fu Panda,
Yeah.
and Jurassic World Robert.
Oh, okay. Kung Fu Panda, Superman, and Jurassic World. Okay.
And also Transformer.
And also Transformers. Okay. And do you have ever has experience that you never get about the what is it like the meaning of the movie maybe?
I don't know what's the meaning, but I know the story.
Oh,
I only
okay.
know the stories when I actually just see the title. So
Okay.
I can remember.
Okay, so you try to understand with reading the title, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, for Persona Inspira, I just remember for Persona Inspira who wants to asking us, you can join in 0823 2383 9996 and we gonna what is it like read your message and of course we gonna talk about the fluency of English and you can asking to Miss Chitra and of course Edmund and Marcelo too. And now talking about what is it, how to get fluent in speaking English. Do you already speak in English every day in home, Edmund? Not yet. Okay.
yet.
Okay. How many you speak English in home?
Like three times,
3 times?
I think.
What day?
I don't know.
Okay, so it's randomly you speak
Randomly.
English in 3 times. Okay, how about Marcelo?
I don't know. Almost every day.
Almost every day. Oh, that's really good. And usually, what you talking about in English with your parents? Maybe about your school?
About movie and sometimes talking with friends. Sometimes I actually use English when talking with friends.
Okay. How about in your school? There are
Yes.
others friends that fluently in English too.
Yeah, there's
Okay. How many friends?
not two.
2. Okay. You and Marcelo or there are another kids? Okay. Are there another kids?
The same class from Sparkle, like
Okay. The
like
same.
Mika, Bradley.
Okay.
Yeah. Me too.
Okay.
Toby too.
Okay. Do you have ever speaking English but with friends that never know about English? Pernah nggak ngomong bahasa Inggris sama teman yang belum terlalu lancar bahasa Inggrisnya?
I do.
Yeah. And how about the rest one?
They said the rest of them is my friends from grade 3. The rest of them actually, sometimes a lot of them actually do not know about English.
Oh, okay. So they just quiet
Yeah.
or give you
Quiet and sometimes try to give answers like from school.
Oh, it's okay.
like from school. Toti, my friend, actually said thank you in English.
Oh, okay. Or maybe they just help they
No. Toti is still learning about English.
Oh,
He wants to learn more. So he
okay.
said thank you.
Okay. And maybe Edmund and Marcelo, because of you already fluent in English, maybe you already have some competition that you what is it like involved in that event. Pernah ikutan kompetisi nggak?
Yeah.
Yeah.
2 times.
2 times. What is it? Can you mention it?
Kompetensi apa?
Competition.
Storytelling
Storytelling. Okay. Where is it? In Wonosobo?
in Wonosobo.
Okay. And the second time is storytelling too?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And do you get some prize maybe?
Prize at the first one. I got the 3rd place.
Oh, wow. That's really good.
What was the title? Your storytelling. What was the title?
Jack and the Beanstalk.
Jack and the Beans. And do you still remember about that story?
Yep.
Can you tell us the story?
There was a boy named Jack, and he lived with his mother in a small house.
And then?
And then they only have a cow, so since they have a cow, they can sell milk for like two bronze coin.
Then?
Then in tomorrow in 5 in the morning, his mom said that in 2 days there will be a blizzard. So Jack packed his bag up and took his cow to exchange for a money, so I can buy the roof, the window, and the door.
Okay. And?
Then in the middle of the road, there's a man. He said that if he give his cow, he will exchange for 3 magic beans. But since Jack is trusted by his trading, he accepted.
And then?
And then when he got home, he told the beans to his mother, but his mom is very angry.
Oh.
He scolded Jack and threw the beans out the window. Then told Jack to sleep early. The next day, Jack goes downstairs and look out the window. He thought he was scammed by the old man. Then he saw a giant tall beanstalk. So without telling his mother, he packed his bag and climbed the beanstalk.
Okay.
Then after that, he saw a castle, so he goes there. But rather than the castle is in the normal size, it's very big.
Big castle.
Even that Jack looks like an ant. So he went to a hole in the door and saw a big giant sleeping. He was just snoring.
Okay, and then?
Then he woke up. That Jack is so scared. He hid inside the cupboard and picked to a small hole. Then saw the giant passing Jack. Then the giant goes to a room. Inside there's a table, a chair, a chicken, and a harmonica.
And then?
Then, so that the giant sits and say, "Fifu fum, sing."
Okay.
The harmonica sang a beautiful song that the giant fell asleep. Then, when he fell asleep, the chicken lays a golden egg. Jack was so frightened that he came out the cupboard and climbed the table and tried to steal the chicken, the harmonica, and the golden eggs. But before he gets out the castle, the giant woke up and saw his golden egg, the chicken, and his harmonica were gone. Then the giant was trying to find it. Then he came across Jack trying to escape.
Okay.
So the giant chased over Jack. Then Jack finally climbed down the beanstalk. And there was his mother, frightened because the beanstalk is so tall. Then Jack told his mom to cut down the tree using their old axe. Then his mom grabs an axe, then chop down the beanstalk.
Okay.
Then when the giant was climbing down the beanstalk, he fell and died.
Oh, so the final, Jack is safe.
Yeah, and his
Okay.
mother is safe, and
Okay.
they finally can fix the roof, the door, and the window, and buy their old cow,
Oh.
and they live happily again.
Okay.
So it's happy ending for the Jack, but
Yeah.
sad ending for the giant.
Yeah. Set ending for the Giant, but I'm really appreciate for Edmund because of you still remember about the story. Give applause for Edmund.
Yay!
Okay, so it's turn Marcelo. Do you have ever what is it like competition?
I participated in Sparkle Holiday events at the town square. I told the story called entitled Goldilocks and the Three Bears.
Oh, okay. Tell a story and then what is it? Tell the story and then
The title is
Goldilocks and the Three Bears.
okay. And do you still remember about it too?
Kind of forgot.
Okay, it's okay. Maybe about your favorite movie. Do you still remember about the story about your favorite movie?
actually Miss Miss
It's
Ophelia.
okay.
Yeah, actually they learn English through YouTube, right? You told me that you are a big fan of who is he? Mr. Beast. They learn English through that
Okay.
YouTuber. So maybe you can explain.
Yeah,
us.
maybe you can explain what you watch in that YouTube account.
Mr. Beast is a crazy rich guy. He is nice.
Mm.
He picks random people from America and he told people to join his
Giveaway.
Challenges.
Yes.
Okay.
and he gives out money for free.
Oh,
Like 100k or 5k.
oh, if I do the challenges, so I can get the money.
Yeah.
Okay, but
Only the chosen one.
But you have to go to America first.
okay, unfortunately, I'm not American. I have to stay here. And do you want to meet Mr. B?
Yeah.
Yeah, because of the money or because of you want to speak to Mr. B?
I just want to speak to Mr. Beast. He's just famous.
Oh, okay. And how about your future? What is like a dream job or what is your dream? What is like a dream future? Pengen jadi apa di masa depan?
I want to be a YouTuber.
Wants to be a YouTuber like a Mr. B too?
Yeah.
Oh,
But
okay.
different. It's like a explorer.
Oh, it's like an explorer because
Yeah.
of you want to what is it
Yeah.
like adventuring.
Explore different countries like Japan, Australia, New Zealand,
Okay.
British.
So did some traveling,
Yeah.
do some traveling
Yeah.
all around the world
Yeah.
and
And
what-
trying out their most famous foods and seeing the most
Iconic. The most iconic.
iconic animals from different countries.
Oh,
Like from
okay.
Japan.
Okay, and what is the first country if you have money and if you already been what is it like a YouTuber? What is the first country that you want to attend there?
Brazil.
Brazil. Why Brazil? Because of you all just loving Brazil, or you have a specific reason?
Wait.
I just want to explore Brazil, like different places.
Oh,
But you told me you want to visit Japan. You changed your mind.
So first is Brazil, second is India, and third is Japan.
Third is
Oh,
Japan.
okay.
Japan is in the third place. Okay.
okay. How about Edmund? What is your dream future?
I want to be a photographer.
Photographer. Why?
In America, he said.
Okay. Why? Do you have any specific
Because
reason?
I want to keep the memories of everything, like to going holidays and whoever who hired me, I would help them.
Okay, maybe you want just traveling, but you want to making money with a photo, so you do some photograph. Right,
Yeah.
oke. Jadi intinya mau jalan-jalan tapi biar ada duitnya, akhirnya mau jadi fotografer gitu ya, biar menghasilkan juga gitu ya. Oke. And if you already a photographer, do you want to invite your mom and your dad to traveling all around the world?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
Of
Or-
course.
because of me, if I have money and I travel all around the world, I just want to travel by my own self because I feels like I need a me time, quality time for myself. And you guys wants to invite your parent is really good for listen to everyone. Yay!
Will you invite me? You have to invite me.
Okay.
Exciting.
How about me? Why you don't invite me to? Okay, Miss Citra, it's really awesome and amazed when we listen. They can speak fluently, and of course, when I heard about your voice too and speaking English, or maybe she have maybe some tips and trick how to get a fluently.
I think falling in love is one of the way to get fluent in English. I mean, when you love something, then you can you can do everything in a joyful feeling. You will always in a good mood.
Okay, so is falling in love is not only about the romantic way, but also
Yes.
falling in love in another field of what is it, like a professional.
Yeah, in this case, I falling in love in English.
Okay, and in this case, both of them is
Yeah.
fall in love with a movie and then with YouTube and some what is it like
Brain rot.
Brain rot.
Yeah.
Whoa. Can we not talk about it?
Brain rot memes.
Oh my god. Okay, so tell me about your school in school, Edmund and Marcelo. Do you get some English subject too in your school?
Yes. Yeah, we got.
Okay, how about your what is it like a grade? I mean, your what is it like a nilai?
Different grades equals different levels of English.
Yeah.
Nilainya gimana bahasa Inggrisnya di sekolah? Dapat nilainya selalu dapat nilai 100 atau enggak?
100.
100 terus.
Are you
Marcelo?
always get the best score?
Okay.
90 to 99.
90 to 99.
Almost perfect.
It's
Yeah,
almost
almost
perfect. It's
Sometimes
okay.
90 all the way to 100 sometimes.
Is it your favorite subject?
Me too.
Is it your favorite?
Yeah. Very great.
Okay, so when you get a favorite subject, I think when you have a homework, it's not really hard for you guys.
Yeah.
What the favorite homework that you get in school? Maybe you have favorite homework.
About cars.
Cars?
Cars?
Yeah.
What is it about?
About brands. Car brands.
Oh, car brands?
Like McLaren.
And what you have to do with that?
So that time when my English teacher gave my class a homework, it's about the car brands, just like in the subject, the materials.
Oh, so you have to memorize the brands or?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, memorize the brand and then you mention the brand.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. How about Marcelo? What is your favorite homework?
My favorite homework is actually just materials, different materials. So like, if there's like supposedly like food material, like food. So like there's homework about food. You have to memorize all the food that's in the book.
Oh,
So it's
okay.
very easy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Very easy for us.
Maybe you just because you love eating, so you can remember about the
Yeah.
food. Yeah.
What's
Okay.
your favorite food then? What's your favorite food?
Pizza.
Pizza.
Ah, Mamma Mia.
Pizza and pasta. So I like Italian food.
Oh, so
And
you
it's
like-
What about you, Valia? What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is just traditional food like a mie ayam, bakso. Is simple
Mie
food.
ongklok.
Mie ongklok. No, I don't really like mie ongklok
you
because
don't?
because of I'm not really what is it like feel delicious for the what is it like the bumbu yang lengketnya
Sticky.
itu the
Yeah,
sticky.
yeah.
Yeah. And of course I love pizza too, but not really.
Not a big fan of
Not
it.
a big
Yeah.
fan.
Mama Noah.
Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Maybe I wanted to asking Miss Citra too because of you already about 1 year, right? 1 year and more to
Teaching?
be a teacher. Yeah.
I think it's more than 1 year. It's been 2 years.
Okay. What did you do if you feel like overwhelmed with your job because of you have to handle the kids and then you have to teach the right English?
Okay. Well, dealing with kids means you have to deal with their moods, right?
Yeah, of course.
Sometimes they don't want to learn, but fortunately they like to learn English, Marcelo and Edmund, so it's easy to handle them, to teach them. But when I got overwhelmed, I need the space. I will go myself without my kids around me. I mean, like, I will stay away from them for relaxing myself and just chilling, just like you do when you get overwhelmed.
Just keep calm and then
Yeah.
try to get the concentration again.
Yeah.
Okay, Edmund and Marcelo, because of in Wonosobo, there are so many students that cannot speak English, and you two guys is really good in English. Maybe you have a message, or maybe you have some trick, so you can teaching them to try to speak in English. What is it?
You have the tips, maybe?
Tips or trick maybe?
I can tip and trick.
Okay,
Okay.
what is it?
Like tips like in English, and then they have to and then they have to, like, for example, I say car and then they have to translate it to English. I think I learned that, but I think I learned my brother with it.
Okay, so the first tips is like listening.
Yeah, listening.
Listening the voice and then the writing.
Yeah, right.
The word.
After that, reading.
After that, reading. Okay, maybe you have like a recommendation book to write.
Yeah.
What is it?
Like a scribble book. Usually I scribble on it, but now I use it to let my brother learn it.
Okay, that's a good answer. You can learn with a Scrabble books or maybe a Scrabble game, so we can know about the spelling of a word, right, Mrs. Citra? Okay, Edmund and Marcelo, we're gonna come back after the song and commercial break. And for Persona Inspira who wants to join us, just join in 0823 2383 9996. To be able to voice aspiration, we must be able to speak. So here is it. I can speak. Yes, I Can Speak is come back and will accompany Persona Inspira up to 2 p.m. And of course, today we're gonna talking about how to get fluent in speaking. And now I have 3 guest star. That is Edmund, and then Marcelo, and the teacher from the Sparkle Learning Space. There is Miss Citra. Hello, Miss Citra. Do you still excited with this program?
Of course I am.
Or do you feel like overwhelmed? Okay, Miss Citra, as a teacher in Sparkle Learning Space, maybe you can tell us the journey that you start to like learning and practicing speaking in English, because of I know you you have a different way with the kids. They already speaking in English every day with their
Right.
parents. How about you?
Well, I started, I told you before that learning English, how to get fluent is by falling in love with it first. I love English in the first place, so it not burden me at all. And compared with these 2 boys, I think I learned English a bit late.
Okay.
I started when I was in 6th grade.
6th grade.
Yeah, and I love it because I watched a movie back then, and I think it would be fun if I can watch it without any subtitle, without any without any translation. So
Okay.
I start to learn it. You know, alphaling, like a calculator.
Okay.
Use it's
I
translation.
never heard about it. Maybe you can explain.
Yeah, it's like a calculator or translator, English Indonesian, but with the limited diction. What is that? The limited words. Yeah, with the limited words. So I want to know more. So I keep learning, and I found Sparkle. There's a place when I can learn English better, and of course there's the demand is so high. I am a teacher there, so I need to be more than the student, more skills, more everything there. So.
Yeah. So when is the first time that you try to speaking English with confidently?
Until now I'm still dealing with it. I'm not that fluent. I still have
I don't
to
think so.
Yeah, but I'm not a native speaker. I'm a Japanese girl.
Yeah.
So English, of course, not my first language. Japanese is my first language. So I think I talk with the students. I talk with my partners, co-workers there in English. So it keep make me talk in English.
Okay, yeah, because of not all person or not all kids can have a privilege to like
Right.
practicing English speaking with their mother or their father, because of like my mother and my father cannot speak English.
Oh, really?
Yeah, maybe my mother tried to understand
Yeah.
English with the body language helping her, and of course I try to get what is that means with her body language. Yeah. Okay, and about study in Sparkle, do you have any interesting way to get what is it, like a concentration from the kids?
Okay, so actually when people learning by doing, we learning by playing.
Oh,
so
okay.
we have a lot of games, and we make fun of it. Like it's not that boring, right? What do you think, guys? Do you think learning at Sparkle is boring?
No.
Yeah,
Okay.
we playing
Never.
game. Yeah, we playing game, and maybe with the flashcards, we use the
Yeah.
boards game, right? What is your favorite?
My favorite is the like what is that, like you have to do like there's like a photo and then you have to sort it with blocks like triangle and then what is that called?
Okay.
Okay. How about Edmund?
Hmm.
The most fun or unforgettable game?
Musical chairs.
Oh,
Oh yeah, I also like musical chairs. Yeah.
What is it, Miss Chitra? Musical chairs.
chairs. Can you explain it to us?
Musical chairs, like if you hear music, you move around the table. I mean, like move around the chairs.
Oh, so
when
yeah.
the music stops, you have to sit. And sometimes there are different versions, like musical stuffies. Like you have to grab one stuffy when the music stops.
Oh.
So that's your favorite.
Yep.
Okay. Do you have ever felt like you are being not a champion in the games, and how do you feel when you're playing games and you cannot solve the games?
Matt.
Mad?
Did you cry?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
How about Edmund?
Was it?
How do you feel when you cannot solve the problem in the games?
Or you are not be the winner?
Yeah. It's fine if I don't win. Yeah, sometimes me too, sometimes. Sometimes I only get mad for a few minutes and then I just
Okay, it's just a game.
and then I just play more
Mm-hmm.
on my bed because game is just games.
Right.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
that's right. Game is
Like
just
you-
games.
It's just for fun, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just for fun.
Okay.
If you lose, don't ever get mad. Don't ever get mad. Sometimes I'm the one who only gets mad.
Yeah. That's good.
It's mad kinda.
Okay,
Yeah.
Edmund and Marcella, because of you already learn in English, maybe you have a favorite word in English. Favorite word when you say something, maybe you really love that word, or maybe sentence is okay.
Maybe maybe like hi or hello. Like,
Hi and hello. Okay.
hi or hello
Uh-uh.
or what's up.
What's up? What? That's really cool.
What's
Sounds
up, Palio?
cool.
What's up?
What's up? Okay.
What's up, man?
My
British
level.
words.
My level is up.
Oh yeah.
What do you like?
British words.
Sorry.
What is it?
British
words.
British
Oh,
word,
British
British
words.
accent.
What?
Like
Like
Can I have a
oh Lordy. Or can I have a bottle of water?
So Edmund love all the words, but with British accent.
Yeah.
Okay, can
Like
you?
British accent.
Okay, wait. Can you? What is it like an egg with a British accent? With introducing yourself with British accent.
Come on, try it.
No.
I'm not that good at British.
Okay. How about Marcelo? Do you want to play it?
Nah.
No.
Just try.
Just right.
Can
bottle of
I have a bottle of water?
A bottle of water. Okay. 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 How about Miss Chitra?
Yeah.
The favorite word. The favorite word.
I love all of them, but maybe mother. I don't know. Mother. It took a special for
Okay.
me.
Mother. Okay.
Mother.
Do you curious what is my favorite sentence or word? Maybe. Do you curious about me too or not?
Sorry.
Do you want to asking me too about the
sure.
favorite
What's your
word?
favorite
Yeah, sure.
Okay. My favorite sentence is when I say, "What should I say?"
Okay.
Because that's the first sentence that I always remember when I was young. So I feels like this really helps me to what is it like to improving my my energy to learning English.
Okay. I say what I have to say.
What should I say?
Oh, what should I say? Okay.
That's the favorite sentence for me.
Should I say?
Okay, about Marcelo and Edmund, maybe your teachers know about this program, right?
Yeah.
Do you think your teacher will listening this radio today?
I think no.
Yes.
I think no because my teacher is still at school until 4 p.m.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, but your teacher knows about your activity, but do you think that they are not listen?
I think my teacher will hear it. I mean, like will hear it, but won't see the video. I think.
Okay. If your teacher or your friend send us a chat or telephone, how do you do? How do you gonna respond it? If your teacher or your friend send a message or telephone, what will you say? You wanna say just hello or maybe don't asking why is it hard question for me?
I mean, like.
What is it? Why?
Like my favorite word when someone texts us or calls me.
Uh-uh.
Say like, what did you say again?
What is it?
Did you say again?
What was the question again?
Kalau misalkan ya temennya Edmund sama Marcelo atau gurunya Edmund sama Marcelo telepon nih, kira-kira kalian mau ngerespon gimana atau mau ngomong apa ke mereka?
What did you say again?
Oh, okay. So you just wanna respond with that
Yeah.
sentence.
Apa kamu tadi bilang tadi?
Oh,
You keep repeating.
I'm repeating that. When it's just like I say fake, like when I actually want to prank someone, I actually say like, "What did you say again?" Over and over.
Now I know you secret.
Until it's 10 times. When it's already 10 times, I already stop and then say. And then I just say like, chill, man. It's just a joke.
Oh my god! So you don't want to answer it. You just want to making them repeat the question or repeat the sentence. Okay. How about Edmund?
I don't know.
You don't have any idea.
No.
Just say you can just like your favorite word. Like I mean like,
Oh, Lori.
oh Lori. Oh, so when someone calls you, you like to say, oh Lori. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Miss Citra, when you feel overwhelmed and know they gonna talking about, and then when you give some question to the kids and they, kids cannot predict like unpredictable.
Yeah.
How do you get the
To-
focus from them?
Yeah, to take their attention, I use eyes on me. You don't want to.
Eyes on you. Eyes
Okay,
on you.
let's try again. Eyes on me.
Eyes on you.
Yeah.
Hey.
Okay, so I use attention gather to make them focus on me.
Oh, okay, okay. And do you ever feel like you wanna cry because of you really overwhelmed and cannot handle it?
No.
No. Okay. Because of when they are really active, but they still spread the positive vibes and wants to make us to what is it like loving and then to be more spirit, right?
Yeah. But no, when they are active, then I need to be more active.
Oh yeah,
You're very right.
yeah. What about the most activity that they can really what is it like what is it like what is it like berbicara kencang gitu.
Sorry?
Kegiatan apa yang bikin mereka paling sering berbicaranya itu kenceng terus kayak paling sering aktif gitu.
Actually, when they talk about their favorite topics, they
Okay.
will get interest and excited, right? When they talk about.
Yeah.
So I use that for the conversation. I mean, okay, you have this conversation, or you have to present something, but use this topic, your favorite topic, and they will get so excited and talk.
Okay, so both of you have a favorite topic, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, what is your favorite topic? Maybe I want to talking about your favorite topic.
So
I like pepperoni.
Pepperoni.
yeah.
Your favorite
Pepperoni
topic
or
is pepperoni or sausage. Okay, so I want to asking you about pepperoni and sausage. How do you cook the pepperoni and sausage in your home? Maybe you making some food,
I fry it,
fry it, and then
and then I add some salt on it, and then when it's done cooking, I usually put some hot sauce on it.
okay, and you eat with the rice or you just eat.
Eat it whole, but sometimes with rice. If it's with rice, that means it's sausage. The sausage I actually make.
Mm-mm.
The sausage I make.
Mm-mm.
The sausage. Wait. The sausage that I make is actually like cut sausage into circle shapes.
Mm-mm.
Of course, it's really circle. That means I put it in there, and then I add a lot of butter, and then I add some ketchup.
Oh, okay.
And usually I eat it with rice.
Okay, usually you eat with rice.
Very Indonesian food.
It sounds really bekal sekolah, right? How about Edmund?
What's your favorite things to discuss or to talk about?
Yeah. About games.
About
Game?
games. Okay, your favorite games.
What is
Grow
it?
Garden.
From Roblox?
Yeah. Roblox.
Oh my god.
Grow a garden.
I don't know
and still
everything
upgrade
about Roblox. Maybe you can tell me about Roblox.
Grow a garden. I usually play Grow a Garden and steal a brain rot.
Yeah.
And you can actually like make your own person. Like for example, you wanna make your person like a character, like the Smurfs. You can actually make the Smurfs.
Okay. Making our
And also you can
Smurfs.
change your names to different things, like SpongeBob, like that.
And then what's your name in that games?
Befriends. Like the first name is actually Befriends. Then I changed it to Homeless.
Okay. How about Edmund?
I changed it to Homeless actually for real.
Do you have any others name when you play Roblox, or you just use your real name?
It will be a normal French fries.
Friends?
You just no, not the. It's prize.
Oh, right. Sorry. Sorry.
Okay.
My bad.
Robo.
Yeah, okay, my bad.
Robo.
Okay. Because we already talking about your favorite topic. Now we gonna share the new vocabulary for Persona Inspira who doesn't know about English. So Edmund and Marcelo will share 2 or 3 words to the listener, and then you have to spell the word and then give the meanings. Okay? Oke, so for Persona Inspira yang sekarang ini lagi nunggu-nunggu banget buat vocabulary barunya ya, silahkan langsung ambil aja yang namanya kertas dan pulpennya biar bisa langsung dicatat ya. Jadinya Persona Inspira juga bisa nih untuk mempraktekkannya segera gitu. Oke, kalau gitu setelah commercial break dan lagu berikut ini, Valia akan langsung masuk ke segmen Learn with Persona.
feeling this way. And I can't help loving myself. And I don't need nobody else. No, baby. If I was you, I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. If I was you, I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. If I was you, I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. If I was you, I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too.
Pak, lawang kamar mandi wis ketampleh kae. Mangsani ganti. Sing apik ya, Pak?
Ya apik ya kudu awet Bu. Bapak ya pengen ganti kloset karo keramiknya sisan. Ben disawang penak orang ngisi-ngisini.
Ya mayo, Pak. Luru toko keramik sing komplit tur barangnya apik-apik. Toko apa ya, Pak?
Monggo sami rawuh wonten ing Toko Keramik Immanuel. Toko Keramik Immanuel sedia aneka jenis keramik KW1, apik-apik, kekinian, komplit lan akeh pilihane. Ono merek-merek terkenal koyo Platinum, Jupiter, Kia, Picasso lan liya-liyane. Toko Keramik Immanuel uga sedia kloset lan pintu kamar mandi. Belanja keramik nang Toko Keramik Immanuel aja kuatir ngangkute. Toko Keramik Immanuel siap antar sampai tujuan. Aja ragu, butuh keramik ya maring Toko Keramik Immanuel. Jalan Angkatan 45, nomor 33 Wonosobo. HP 085 628 52137. Toko Keramik Immanuel Cabang, Jalan Bayangkara nomor 1 ngarep GKJ lan SD Kristen Wonosobo. Toko Keramik Immanuel lengkap dan berkualitas.
Lah, jar siapa? Rumahku surgaku. Nyongge wis ngerasa kena. Nang omah rasane pega banget.
Lagi nang omah jare kaya pega bojone Rika meteng, bae, Mbok.
Kesi ya. Kaki kapan kelakonnya bisa dua mobil ya, Kang?
Oh, oke. Rika sikit tuku omah maning bae nang aring Permata Safa Marwah. Punya kesempatan dapat mobil Kalia.
Is, temenan apa gue?
Tebelek. Ya temenan lah.
Ya.
Yang ini beneran. Beli rumah berkesempatan mendapatkan hadiah mobil Kalia. Hanya di Permata Safa Marwah. Hunian eksklusif dengan harga terjangkau. Jadi ayo dapatkan sekarang juga. Rumah nyaman bersubsidi. Hanya dengan DP 1,7 juta, angsuran 1 jutaan, kita kasih bonus kanopi, carport, serta pagar batas rumah. Akses jalannya lebar, bos. Dan untuk lokasi sangat strategis. 5 menit dari kampus Unsik 2 Wonosobo, 10 menit dari alun-alun Wonosobo. Jadi ayo survei sekarang juga. Punya rumah di Permata Safa Marwah sangat prospektif untuk bisnis, kos-kosan di tengah kota, villa, dan homestay di Wonosobo. Untuk hunian dijamin aman, nyaman, dan ramah untuk keluarga. Kami tunggu kedatangan Anda di Permata Safa Marwah Wonosobo. Beli rumah berkesempatan dapat hadiah mobil, hubungi 0813 9111 4357 atau Instagram dan TikTok @Permata Safa Marwah. Hunian eksklusif dengan harga terjangkau.
Musik, showbiz, berita, dan budaya. Semua kami hadirkan untuk lengkapi Hari Pesona Inspira. Tentunya hanya di 92,1 Radio Pesona FM, stasiun informasi terbaikmu.
Baby, take my hand. I want you to be my husband. Kiss you, my Iron Man. And I love you 3000. Baby, take a chance. 'Cause I want this to be something straight out of a Hollywood movie. I see you standing there in your Hulk outerwear. And all I can think is where is the ring? 'Cause I know you wanna ask. Scared the moment will pass. I can see it in your eyes. Just take me by surprise. And all my friends, they tell me they see you're planning to get on one knee. But I want it to be out of the blue. So make sure I have no clue when you take my hand, I want you to be my husband, 'cause you're my Iron Man, and I love you 3000. Baby, take a chance, 'cause I want this to be something straight out of a Hollywood movie. Now we're having dinner, and baby, you're my winner. I see the way you smile, you're thinking about the aisle. You reach in your pocket, emotions unlocking, and before you could ask, I answer too fast. And all my friends, they tell me they see you're planning to get on one knee. So now I can't stop thinking about you. I figured out all the clues, so now baby, take my hand, I want you to be my husband, 'cause you're my Iron Man, and I love you 3000. Baby, take a chance, 'cause I want this to be something straight out of a Hollywood movie. Ba-da-da-da-da-dum. No spoilers, please. Ba-da-da-da-da-dum. No spoilers, please. Baby, take my hand, I want you to be my husband, 'cause you're my Iron Man, and I love you 3000. Baby, take a chance, 'cause I want this to be something straight out of a Hollywood movie. Baby, no spoilers, please. Ba-da-da-da-dum. No spoilers, please. Ba-da-da-da-dum. No spoilers, please. Ba-da-da-da-dum. And I love you 3000.
To be able to voice aspiration, we must be able to speak. So here is it. I can speak. 92.1 FM Radio Pesona, your best information station, and you still listening I Can Speak program. And now we're gonna move to another segment because of we have to share the vocabulary. So for all Pesona Inspira who wants to write the vocabulary, so you need paper and of course some pen. Now we're gonna try to move to learn with Pesona. New vocab today. Kosakata baru apa hari ini? Let's enriching our vocab. Perkaya kosakata baru hari ini bersama Learn with Pesona.
I can speak.
Oke, di Learn with Pesona kali ini Edmund, Marcelo dan juga Citra ya akan berbagi kosakata untuk Pesona Inspira nih. Kira-kira siapa duluan yang memulai? Marcelo. Oke, silakan. Marcelo mau kasih kosakata apa aja buat pendengar?
Important.
Important. Oke, can you spell it?
IMPORTANT.
Okay, important. What is the meaning of important?
Penting.
Penting. Okay, and the second?
Interested.
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 Okay, artinya apa tuh?
Tertarik.
Tertarik. Okay, selanjutnya mau apa lagi?
Shows.
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 Artinya? Tontonan. Terus mau kasih kata apa lagi atau mau ke Edmund?
Maybe I'll go first.
Oh, okay. Miss Citra first. Okay.
So the next word is participate.
Participate.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you spell it?
Okay. So the first letter is P A R T I C I P A T E.
Oke, participate.
Artinya ikut serta.
Ikut serta. Kemudian kata berikutnya apa nih, Miss?
Ada lagi competition.
Competition.
Ya. How to spell it? COMPETITION.
Oke.
Competition dan artinya adalah perlombaan atau
perlombaan.
kompetisi.
Oke. Mau berapa kata lagi nih?
Mungkin satu lagi ya.
Satu lagi ya. Oke. Apa tuh? Abroad.
Ya. Artinya itu keluar negeri.
Keluar
atau di luar
negeri.
ya.
Oke.
And how to spell it is ABROAD.
Oke, abroad. How about Edman?
Edman, it's your turn.
Oke.
Explore.
Explore.
Yeah.
Oke, can you spell it?
EXPLORE.
Oke, artinya apa tuh?
Menjelajah.
Menjelajah. Oke, kata keduanya apa?
Without hesitation.
Without hesitation. Oke.
WITHOUT. Terus keduanya HESETATEON.
Oke.
Artinya tanpa keraguan.
Tanpa keraguan. Oke, selanjutnya apa nih?
Similar.
Similar.
SEMILAR. Artinya mirip.
Artinya mirip. Oke. Dari Kavalia mau nambahin satu kata ya, karena sebelumnya Kavalia ngomong itu future dreams. I will correct it because of I did some mistake. The right is maybe future goals. So the meaning of future goals is cita-cita masa depan, dan penulisannya adalah FUTUREGOALS. Oke. Jadi buat Pesona Inspira hari ini sudah dapat 10 kosakata baru ya. Dan alhamdulillah nih ya, sudah ada yang mengirimkan pesan. Kalau gitu kita akan baca pesannya dulu. Ada 2 pesan yang udah masuk. Kita langsung move ke listener time. Pesona Inspira, saatnya Pesona Inspira bergabung di 0823-2383-9996. Is listener time. Listener time. Oke, Edmund, Marcelo, dan juga Miss Citra. Sekarang udah ada 2 chat nih yang masuk di nomornya Pesona FM. Yang pertama ada dari siapa tadi ya? Aku bacain dulu ya. Dari Iin di Wonosobo. Katanya, what is the reason that makes you feel interesting in bahasa Inggris? Terus yang kedua, kenapa seneng Lesti Sparkle katanya? Coba Edmund atau Marcelo mau jawab?
Karena di situ itu banyak sekali games.
Karena banyak gamesnya.
Ya.
Jadi rasanya nggak belajar yang bikin pusing gitu ya.
Nggak bosen.
Nggak bosen. Oke. Marcelo mau nambahin jawabannya?
Kalau di Sparkle itu biasanya ada banyak pelajaran beda-beda. Materialnya itu kayak beda-beda kayak gitu loh.
Jadi bikin kamu tuh lebih sering semangat buat belajar ya. Terus pertanyaan yang pertama tadi, apa yang bikin kalian tertarik belajar bahasa Inggris?
Maybe can I answer it?
It's okay.
It's okay.
Maybe because English is the easiest language that I can learn. That's what you want to. So we have the same reason then, Marcelo, right? Explain it.
Because English is actually super easy to learn and also pretty fun. And also if you wanna go to other countries and explore them, you have to learn English first. And sometimes when you learn English, there's like some funny things. Like anak in English is anak. Like you're, and then like like if there's like Indonesian language, and then if there's like English language, there's sometimes it's funny to not know.
Okay.
Okay. How about Edmund? Do you want to answer the question? Yang bikin kamu tertarik belajar bahasa Inggris? Karena emang pengen sendiri atau disuruh orang tua? Karena atau memang kayak Marcelo, kalau mau keluar negeri harus bisa bahasa Inggris gitu?
Jika keluar negeri kayak Singapura, Malaysia, Amerika, itu banyak sekali itu yang bisa bahasa Inggris.
Oke.
Jadi makanya itu banyak orang jika mau keluar negeri itu mau belajar bahasa Inggris.
Oh, okay. So you think that English is really important when you go to another country, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Miss Citra. Because of we just run out of time, so maybe you can give us some message or maybe closing statement about how get fluent in English.
Oke, buat Sobat Inspira yang mau belajar bahasa Inggris, gak usah takut-takut. Pokoknya dari segala usia, gak usah ngerasa terlambat. Belajar aja, terus jangan overthink. And kalau mau belajar bareng saya juga bisa di Sparkle. Iya,
It's okay.
Kami tunggu kehadirannya di sana.
Okay, thank you very much for Edmund, Marcelo, and Miss Citra. You already accompany myself in this program, and you already makes me feels like more energetic, right? And maybe next week or maybe another time we can announcing again in this program, right?
Wait.
It's like a different program about songs.
Oh, okay. So you want to be announcer to talking about songs? Yeah, sometimes.
I mean, like when again, if we do this again, sometimes you can actually do like talk us about brands or songs like that.
Oh, okay. Maybe we can not it. Okay. Thank you very much for all Pesona Inspira who already heard us, and then for Pesona Inspira who wants to listen, I Can Speak. We gonna come again in every Monday in 12:15 p.m. So saya Valia,
Saya Citra.
Saya Edmund. Saya Selo.
mengucapkan terima kasih banyak dan bye bye.
Bye bye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.